Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you are the meeting host or that the host granted recording rights. Without that, the button won't appear. Once that's clear, open Google Meet in Chrome and join the meeting. Make sure your camera and microphone are set to the correct devices. Also, check local storage and internet. Recording streams to Drive, so ensure at least 1 GB free per hour and a stable connection. Now, click the three dots menu to find the record meeting option and start it. Once recording starts, you'll see a red REC indicator. That confirms Meet is capturing audio, video, and any presented screen. Make sure you announce the recording so everyone knows, because Drive saves files tied to the host account and privacy rules require notice. If you present slides, select Present Now, then choose the window or tab. This avoids capturing unintended screens. Monitor performance. If your CPU spikes or network stalls, stop presenting video and continue with audio to preserve a clean recording. When you're done, click the three dots and stop recording. Meet finalizes the file and emails the host a Drive link. This can take a few minutes depending on length. Once the file appears in My Drive/Meet recordings, make sure to set sharing permissions before distributing the link. If the recording fails to show up, first check the host's Drive trash and then confirm you actually had host rights. If needed, retry recording and test with a short local clip. Key tip: verify Drive storage and account used for the meeting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.